Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics. We're now going to go for a ride in our 1988 Pontiac Fiero. Now this isn't a car you usually see on the road every day, but I gotta say that this is a really nice little car. I can't say it's as fast as the one in Fast and Furious. There ain't no rocket engine tied to the back of this one. But it handles really well, it grabs really well. All the gauges work, we got speedometer, tach. Brakes are really solid. Steering, perfect, no whines. It's got really nice cool rims on it, fresh red paint job. It even has those little hideaway headlights, as I call it, like the Corvettes do. And another good thing is about this car is it has really nice documentation, manuals, cold blown AC. It has all the works. But anyway, we're gonna get this car turned around, put her on the lift, and see how good the underneath looks. See you there.